down in the calf, beneath the top layer. Deep posterior muscles hear this prayer. Flexing the toes and pointing the foot with grace. Tibial nerve supply sets their functional pace. Popliteus hallucis digitorum tibialis P, unlocking and flexing for all eyes to see. Deep posterior leg, flexors unite. Tibial nerve powers with purpose and light. Popliteus unlocks the others. Flex toes, plantar flex and invert. That's how the story goes. Tie friends and partners forever. The deep grooves known on the posterior tibia and fibula. Their seeds are sown. First, tibialis posterior, deepest of the crew. From interosseous membrane, tibia, fibula 2. Its tendon travels down behind medial malleolus curve to navicular the rosset. E forms metatarsals, it serves. Plantar flexes the ankle, inverts the foot with style. Supports that medial arch for mile after mile. Tibial nerve L4, L5 gives it the command. PTTI, flat foot's the problem across the land. Deep posterior leg, flexors unite. Tibial nerve powers with purpose and light. Popliteus unlocks the others. Flex toes, plantar flex and invert. That's how the story goes. Tie friends and partners forever. The deep grooves known on the posterior tibia and fibula. Their seeds are sown. Next, flexor hallucis longus, for the great toes bend. From posterior fibula, its journey will extend to distal phalanx of hallux. Its tendon takes its flight, flexes that big toe with all of its might. Assistant plantar flexion and arch support so true. Tibial nerve S2, S3 sees its function through. Crucial for push off when you're walking with speed. Effort yells power, a fundamental need. Deep posterior leg, flexors unite. Tibial nerve powers with purpose and light. Popliteus unlocks the others. Flex toes, plantar flex and invert. That's how the story goes. Tie friends and partners forever. The deep grooves known on the posterior tibia and fibula. Their seeds are sown. Popliteus is next, at the back of your knee. From lateral femoral condylate sets action free to posterior tibia bepsolia line it will insert. Unlocks the knee joint, preventing all hurt. Medially rotates tibia or femur rotates out weak. Knee flexing too, there is no doubt. Tibial nerve L5, S1 for this muscle so neat. The key to the knee can't be beat. Last is flexor digitorum longus for digits 2 to 5. From posterior tibia, its tendons will derive to distal phalanges of those 4 toes. They proceed, flexing them strongly, fulfilling the need. Plantar flexes the ankle, supports arches with care. Tibial nerve S1, S2 or S2S. Lumbricals arise from its tendons so deep. Quadratus plantae helps it straight flexing to keep. Remember Tom, Dick, and very nervous Harry on the go. Through the tarsal tunnel these deep tendons flow. Tibialis posterior FDL artery vein nerve and effort shells. My compression here causes pain day and through the night. Deep posterior leg, a functional design. Flexing and supporting, truly divine. Future docs keep digging the knowledge you'll own. On the strong foundation, your expertise has grown.